Okay, so if you're a content creator, I have good news for you. Introducing the F16 wireless microphone to you. If you're a content creator and you're looking for the perfect mic for your content creating game, I present to you this F16 wireless microphone. This is something I use too as well. This is my voice with the microphone, and you can see it has a listen, it is the professional microphone that you can use for your vlog, for your interviews, for your live shows, for your all kind of content creating. If you want to go into skit making, this is the perfect guy for your skit making time. Okay, so this is my alright, so this is my voice without the mic. You can see my voice now. You can see my voice now. This is my voice without the mic. And now I'm gonna put it out in this microphone so that you guys can see how I sound. Gives you quality sound now when you put the mic on. So I'm putting the mic back now so you guys can see. Now this is my voice. This is my voice with the mic. Now you can see the voice clarity of this microphone. Apart from that, it has two modes, and I'll be showing you the modes. Now the first mode that this mic has is the normal voice, as you can see, having the voice cancellation. That's the voice cancellation, and also this mic mode called the echo mode. So if you want to do something that has to do with echo, this is the perfect sound for you. Now this mic comes with a receiver as well, and it comes with two receivers. It comes with two receivers, so we have two receivers, two mics, as you can see. That's two mics. So I have this mic for you. If you want to buy it, send a DM to us today. If you want to buy this mic, you can send us a DM today, and we'll sure get it down to you anywhere in Lagos or around the world that you are. We'll send it down. I also have the K9 wireless mic. This is the normal mic that we all know, and this one is going, as you can see, this one is just as the Type-C receiver. And if you want to use it with your iPhone, you can send us a DM. I will show you how to get it started, and you can use it with your iPhone. If you want this, you can send us a DM. This is the Type-C, the normal mics that you guys know about. So if you are starting content creation and you are starting content creation and you are going for a low budget microphone, you want something within your budget, you can go for this K9 microphone. And if you are an Odogu billion, you can go for the F16 wireless mic. Everything has its own price. This one is the price for this, as you can see. This is from the price for this. This is FK9 and this one is F16. The F16 mic lasts for a very longer time than this. So if you are going for this, you can send us a DM, or if you are going for this, you can send us a DM today. We'll surely get this to you.